What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I want to show you how to make some turkey kind of BLT sliders, and you're saying to yourself, Black Hour, what are you sliding in the home plate? No, I'm making a good little sandwich because it has been a hell of a week, sir. I've been working overtime all week. Took my truck over there. My damn truck got inspected. It failed inspection. Needs suspension work. I feel like Chris Farley and Tommy Boy, man.
I can't do this anymore, man. My head's about to explode. My whole life sucks. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know where I'm going. My dad just died. We just killed Bambi. I'm out here getting my ass kicked, and every time I drive down the road, I want to jerk the wheel into a goddamn bridge embankment.
I'm telling you. So, I know one thing for sure. I'm damn well going to eat right tonight because I deserve it, buddy. So, first thing I got to do when I make this little sandwich kind of like a BLT deal, and I'm doing that because I got this garden fresh tomato that I want to use out in the garden. So, I've got to have le bacon. Everything is better with le bacon. So, we'll get our pan, get it skillet, get it hot to trot, and throw that big old bacon in there and try to keep the dog away, smelling everything, because he wants some too. Now, let's go ahead and get our bacon out that pan, save that grease for tomorrow when you fry potatoes. Now, we're going to need our rolls. Now, the thing about these rolls is it ain't no King Hawaiian. You're saying to yourself, like, oh, did you get the King's Hawaiian? No. It's not the Prince. I'm the pauper over here. I get the money. I ain't got the time for no damn King Hawaiian. I got the old cheapo today, but it's going to taste fine. So, take the whole damn thing and kind of cut it, you know, horizontally, vertically, whichever damn direction it is, and cut the damn thing in half to where you can just open it up and get your flat surface there, sir. So, then we're going to take some of that big turk dog, that turk-a-lurk, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, did you cook a whole turkey and shave it down? Well, you know me, buddy. Ain't got time for that shit. That's the old lunch meat. Good old stuff. So, fold it up, put it on there, make it look good, buddy boy. Now, put that shit on top of there. And we can put le bacon right on top of there and get a little piece for you, get a little piece for the dog. And go ahead and put that on there, and then we're going to add some pepper jack cheese just to spice up our lives, man. It's that pepper jack because it's good. So put that on there, put your top on top, and put a little melted butter on there to give it a nice, delicious flavor. Now, don't leave it in there very long. Don't be in there watching a documentary on meatloaf. Get your butt back in there because I put mine on like 300, man. And really you're just melting cheese. So it's only going to take like 5 minutes or so. So once you get that done, take it out. And I want some toppings on mine. Don't you think? It's a little plain Jane for Big Daddy. Now, pop that thing back open and say what you want, what you got. I'm going to get me some lettuce. I'm going to get that garden fresh tomato. And to add a little zest because the old... you know, a BLT kind of deal is what I'm doing here. It usually mayonnaise, and to me, mayonnaise is just kind of, you know, standard, isn't it?
Boring.
So, I want a little zest. That's why I got this zesty Italian. I'll put that that boy zesty. Watch out. Put that zesty Italian on top of the sandwich. And now we're about to stand back, and I'm damn ready to have a sight and a big bite of this slider tonight. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The old BLT style, whatever you want to call it, slider, is done, and I'm about to have that first bite for myself. So stand back, because I feel like I'm going to be dropping. Damn. So, bacon and butter. You can't go wrong with bacon and butter. But really, the craziest part is that tomatoes to start the show. Fresh garden tomato, man, ain't nothing better. Pat myself on the back for that one. That lettuce and that zesty Italian. Make something to it, man. Make some vegetables really pop. And the turkey, strong as ever. So, I want to thank you for stopping on by another episode of Cooking with Black Hour as I pick this lettuce so I don't drop it on the floor. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking shows right here on my YouTube channel. Now, you'll excuse me, I'm going to have this slider. I might need to dress up a few more sliders, and we might have to go out on a little date tonight. What do you think about that?